To automatically turn on work mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra at a specific time, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap work. Tap turn on automatically. Under suggested condition section, tap time period. Under time period section, tap time. Next, under time section, tap start time and then set the start time. As the example, we will set it to 9 a.m. Next, tap end time and then set the end time. As the example, we will set it to 5 p.m. Under repeat section, select the days you like this mode to be enabled. As the example, we will select from Monday to Friday. Tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. With the setting, now your phone will automatically turn on work mode from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.